Hi viewers, I'm Brian, President of Maryland Surfacing, and today I'd like to show you our PPE Sneeze Guard system that we've designed for businesses. Okay, so we have 3 different size units, a 2-foot, a 3-foot, and a 45-inch unit. They can be assembled together or separately to work any space that you have. Each kit comes with 2 universal sides, 4 locking clips, and a front panel. No tools necessary to assemble. All 3 units get assembled the same way. The front panel and universal slide together and mount by using the locking clip. Lock in place. Do the same on the other side. Notice that there's 2 sets of slots in the universal side. That's used when we attach multiple units together. This is your finished, assembled 36-inch unit. Now that we've seen a unit assembled, I'd like to show you how we can have a 3-inch pass-through underneath of the panel. From the original assembly, having the front panel down to the countertop, you can remove the side, flip the panel 180 degrees, all 3 sizes have this capability. In this position, it allows a 3-inch pass-through below the panel. Now we can combine multiple panels together. Combine multiple panels using the same clip system as we did before. This is positioning the panel in the countertop position, or you can flip the panel to create the 3-inch pass-through below. Same process on the other side. This is an example of 3 units assembled. You can also put an add-on feature on the end of your unit. This panel gives you the option to turn 90 degrees and continue your run using the same universal panel side and having the extra 4 additional panels to be added. You can purchase 4 extra locking clips and mount with double-sided tape or command strips, and when they're in place, it still would fit on a 12-inch countertop. This secures the unit to your millwork. Even though the unit is totally together, or almost 9 foot long, I wanted to show that even attached, this would be able to be put on a curved countertop. Thank you for watching. Hope this video was helpful. Stay safe.